scroll down to administration section, then click on settings. Then scroll down to e-commerce option, and here you can see download option for this plugin. I have already downloaded it, so you can just pause the video and download it first, then continue watching this video. Now go to WooCommerce dashboard and click on the plugin option and install the plugin. I have already installed it, so I'm just gonna skip and move on to the next part. Now go to the settings and then go to abandoned cart webhook option. Okay, now we just have to create a message template that your customers will receive every time they abandon a cart. So let's go make it. Go back to the dashboard, then go to bot manager and then to message template option. Click on this create button to create a message template. Give a template name, but remember to write in lowercase letters and there must be no space in between the words. So I'm gonna write commerce abandoned cart, no space, cart recovery. Okay, done. Now I'm gonna choose marketing as a template category. And I have already written a message for this template, so I'm just gonna copy it and paste it over here in the message body section. And also I'm gonna write hi, then take the username to make it more personalized. So I'm just gonna copy it. Okay, and finally I'm gonna write thanks, and that's it for this message. Then I will add a call to action button. When click on this button, it will be redirected to your website. So select button type to URL, give a name to your button. So I'm just gonna write purchase now and copy the website's cart URL link and paste it in this here and save it. And just like this, our message template is ready. So let's just click on this sync button to approve the message template by WhatsApp. Clicking on this sync button until it's approved. So keep clicking, and great, it's approved now. Now let's go to webhook workflow option and click on this create button to create a new webhook. Give your workflow name. So I'm just gonna write WooCommerce abandoned cart and choose the message template that we just made and click on this create workflow button. And it's done. Copy this webhook URL and go back to WooCommerce abandoned cart webhook setting and paste it here. And after that, click on Save Changes. Now it's time to map the data. So click on this Capture Webhook Response button and at the same time, go back to WooCommerce page and click on Send Sample Webhook button. Then again, go back to webhook page. Now you will get a raw data of abandoned carts from your website. Now let's move on to mapping part. So for the phone number, we will choose this one. WhatsApp doesn't allow any plus sign in any phone number, so we need to remove it. We can easily remove this plus sign by creating a formatter. So click on this new button. It will create a new formatter. So give it a name. So I'm gonna write phone number plus remove. And remember to keep no space in between the words. So just follow this. For actions, choose trim left. Then in trim input field, give a plus sign. It will help the formatter to remove the plus sign from any phone number. Anyway, now save the formatter, then choose the formatter from here. Now for variable username, we're going to choose this one right here. It will take the user's first name only. So what we need to do here is to join user's last name with the first name. So we will just make a new formatter for this purpose only. So let's go create a new formatter by clicking on this new button. Choose the action concurrent write, then choose the last name from the concat field. Now in the glue write space, this will add a space between the user's first name and the last name. And finally, give the formatter a name. So I'm gonna write full name and save the formatter and select the formatter over here. Okay, now save the webhook. And our webhook setup is complete. Now, whenever someone visits in your website and leave an abandoned cart, he will receive an automatic WhatsApp notification after an hour. So after 1 hour, as you can see, I have received an WhatsApp message reminding me of my abandoned cart. So that's all about this video. Until next time, see ya.